Alright, we're going to be jamming this piece of shit Samsung motor today. Because, well, it's a Samsung motor. Who cares about those? Well, if I could jam it. That is.
It's gonna wing the other way.
No, it's not.
Okay.
There we go. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn like it deserves it. Getting hot. Oh, it's popping. Smoking. Oh, this is gonna be a lame burnout, isn't it? Come on, this is the most lame burnout. It's not even buzzing. Does it still work?
Yes.
You know it still works. It's smoking. Yep, surprisingly, it doesn't sound great. But it's smoking. Alright. I'm gonna keep burning it out. Can you see the smoke?
Not right now.
Oh, I can see it.
Now you can't coming out the bottom there.
Alright. Is it gonna be fun? Do you see the smoke? No? Oh.
Oh shit, yeah, I see that now.
Yep. The motor was still working a minute ago when it was smoking. It's not burning out though. This motor might be stronger than I imagined. It's not even buzzing. This is the weirdest burnout I've ever seen. Never witnessed a motor burnout before. This is a 70-watt Samsung Roomba vacuum cleaner motor, by the way. Just smoking. Want a campfire?
It stinks.
Why is it not burning out though? How is it not burning out? This is the weirdest motor burnout ever. Okay, I think it's about to burn. Did it burn out? Yep, it burned out. Yep, it burned out.
Damn.
No fire. That was pretty boring. What? It's spinning. It's working. Oh my god. How is it working? It's still spinning. Okay, I think it died finally. Oh, it's still trying. Oh, it's sparking up. Still trying to spin. It's still trying to spin. It's trying to live.
Goddamn.
Okay, I think it finally died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this burned off. This contact literally burned off. What the hell is happening here? Yeah, this burned off from the internal structure of this motor. Why are you still trying to... Alright, it's dead. What?
That thing off.
What thing off?
That.
That was a weird motor burnout. Oh, it's hot. Alright, that was an interesting one. No smoke. Still smoking. No fire, I meant. I think you're going to need to charge your battery charger. The burning electric motor burning out, draw some amps. Alright. Alright. Peace out. See you in the next one.